Again, another special guest. In fact, the guest speaker of JAHJAH Foundation 5th Gala here in Moonachie, New Jersey. We have Dr. Alfred Dawes, recently appointed. He's a Chief Senior Medical Officer?
Senior Medical Officer.
We're going to make him Chief Senior Medical Officer of Salvador Hospital in Westmoreland. Welcome, Dr. Dawes.
Thanks for having me.
Being here at JAHJAH Foundation, an organization that gives so much back to healthcare in Jamaica, what is your interpretation of their work, and how can the diaspora continue to do this work to help what you do in Salvador?
Well, the diaspora on a whole has been very supportive of the healthcare system. There are over 200 missions per year going to Jamaica. What I like about the JAHJAH Foundation's approach is that not only do they treat patients while they're there, they donate equipment and they train the staff to use the equipment so that there's an improvement that continues long after they have left Jamaica, and it has a multiplier effect because those trained staff now are able to teach others as they come along.
Now, you assign this new responsibility, a hospital that is in need of many things, a challenged hospital. You take on this responsibility. What are your expectations, and how can we assist you in this whole endeavor?
Well, SAV has a lot of challenges, but what we have is a willing staff that really are enthusiastic to try and improve the standard of care. We also have the community, the private sector, the people of Westmoreland, and those who came from Westmoreland originally. They really want to see something done. And with the level of support that I'm getting from everybody who really wants to see the hospital improve, I'm very optimistic, and I'm actually quite enthused that we can make a difference and make SAV a model hospital for what we can achieve with public support outside of depending on the government.
We're at the JAHJAH Foundation's 5th Gala. Dr. Alfred Dawes is a guest speaker here tonight. I'm quite certain that in his message tonight a lot more will be said. I just want to say on behalf of the Jamaican diaspora here in the New York Tri-State area, best of wishes in your endeavor. We're here to support you. Feel free at all times to reach out, sir.
And I will be reaching out, and I really love the support. I can't thank you all enough.
Thank you very much. That was Dr. Alfred Dawes, the guest speaker at the JAHJAH Foundation 5th Gala here in Moonachie, New Jersey.